Most people only learn half a barbecue. They either grill or they smoke. But if you stop there, your food starts to taste the same every time. Grilling and smoking aren't competing methods, they're complementary ones. Each gives you a different type of control, a different kind of flavor, and when you know how to use both on purpose, your fire starts working for you and not against you. Where you're from probably shaped your method. In Texas, it's low and slow with post oak. In Memphis, it's charcoal and dry rubs. And in Alabama, it's ribs grilled directly over the coals hot and fast with a mop in hand, and don't forget about that white bread on the side. And let's not forget about our brothers and sisters around the world. In Argentina, they cook over glowing wood embers. In Korea, it's charcoal grilling at the table. In Jamaica, it's jerk chicken over pimento wood. And we haven't even mentioned places like South Africa, the Philippines, Australia, or even the Middle East yet. The point is, barbecue is global, but it all starts with the fire. Smoking gives you a deep smoke aroma, a thicker bark, and slow collagen breakdown over time. Grilling, on the other hand, gives you a faster, crustier bark from direct heat, plus a different kind of char and flavor buildup. But here's the problem. Most people only know one, and they get stuck. The bark's too soft, the chicken's dry, the fire's either out of control or barely alive. You can season perfectly, you can nail the prep, but if that fire's too hot or too weak, it can undo everything. It all comes down to your understanding and ability to control the fire. So think about it. When you understand the art of both grilling and smoking, you can smoke a rib for tenderness, then finish it over the flame to lock in the glaze. You can grill chicken for crispy skin, and then hit it with a smoke to add aroma. The real advantage is knowing how to choose. And that's why we built the Fire Management Guide. If you're a griller, it helps you control direct heat, avoid flare-ups, and cook with consistency. If you're a smoker, it helps you regulate airflow, maintain steady temps, and build better bark. And if you're both, it gives you complete control over every fire you build. This video shows you the why. The guide shows you the how. So whether you grill, smoke, or do both, understanding the fire is what unlocks different levels of flavor. And if you want to level up your grilling game, you've got to stop picking sides. Because barbecue isn't about choosing one way. It's about understanding the whole landscape. So you can cook with purpose, whether you're recreating a familiar flavor you already know or unlocking a new one you've never tasted before. Be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, grill boldly, serve proudly, and enjoy the process.